Hey everybody, Nathan here with SouthernIndianaMortgage.com, and I wanted to walk you through the easiest way that I can think of to get started with applying for a loan. This is a very easy process. We always kind of say that it's a 60-second, home buyer quiz that you can do on our website, and it takes no time at all to get started. So if you would, go ahead and log on to our website. It's www.SouthernIndianaMortgage.com, and there should be a link below this video in the description. But if you want to click on that link, it's going to take you over to our website, and you can see it here. I've got it pulled up. It's basically Southern Indiana Mortgage, loans, low down payment, and then it's got this big area right here. It says you can buy a home. We offer a free, no obligation mortgage credit report review, and we'll be happy to do that. We love to do that for people, to let everyone know exactly where they stand in the home buying process. We can let you know where you stand. We can let you know what you need to do if you don't qualify now to be able to qualify later. But this is a great way to get started, and like I say, it just takes a few moments to get this going, and then it allows us to get started on your file to see what we can do to move you from the home that you live in now to a new home of your own. So the easiest way to get started is to click on this blue box right here. It says get started now to know where you stand. Easy enough. So you just click on that link, and it's going to take you to a simple page that we have, and it's kind of a home buyer quiz. So it's similar to other homebuyer quizzes that you'll see online. It's just a very easy process. It talks about your free home loan approval, pre-approval and that type of thing. And you can see right here that basically you just fill in the blanks. So let's just get started. So you just start with your zip code and you click go. And it's just going to walk you right through everything as far as the simple loan application here. Whatever type of home that you're interested in, you just click on that. It's going to take you to the next one. It's going to ask your estimated credit score. If you don't know your credit score, that's fine. Just put in average or whatever, because one of the things that we're going to do is we actually have to double check your credit to see what that looks like. But let us know, what you think it may be. That'll give us a good idea of where to start. It's going to say, is this your first property purchase? If you're a first-time home buyer, you click yes. If not, you click no. It's going to ask what your current property purchase situation is. So have you signed an offer? Do you have an offer pending? Are you going to buy a house in the next few months, etc.? So just click whichever one applies to you. It says, how will this property be used? Most likely you're looking at a primary residence, a home that you're going to live in, and that you're going to stay. This one just asks, what's the purchase price of the property that you're interested in? So let's say you're looking in a house for a $150,000 price range. Just do that and click continue. What's your estimated down payment? If you want to do 3% down, that's great. We have options for that. If you want to do actually a lower down payment option, you can actually slide this over. We have a 1% down program, but we also have a 0 down program, and that's one of the most popular ones that we do, and it works out really well. Just hit continue. What kind of rate do you prefer? Just about everybody prefers a fixed rate, and that's mostly what we do. But every once in a while, an adjustable rate may be something that's fitting. Whatever your gross annual income is, you just click on that box, and that'll take us to the next one. What is your employment status? Are you employed? Are you in the military? Are you self-employed? Just click whichever applies to you. Do you have a bankruptcy or short sale or a foreclosure in the last 3 years? Yes or no on that one. Just mark whichever one applies to you. Just know if you have had a bankruptcy or a foreclosure, that doesn't necessarily mean that you can't qualify. So don't let that scare you away. This just kind of gets us started on, asking those pertinent questions that we have. Can you show proof of income? Meaning, do you get W-2s? Do you get pay stubs? Things along those lines. If the answer is yes, you just click yes. Are you working with a real estate agent yet? Yes or no, whatever. If you've spoken to one that you like, that's great. Just click on yes. If not, if you don't know any real estate agents, we'd be happy to pair you up with one that we work with in your area. We work in all different areas of Southern Indiana, all the way from Madison to Evansville up to Bloomington, Columbus. We do all areas. So don't let, we cover a wide variety of areas, not just our South Central Southern Indiana where we are at. You just type in your full name there, and it's going to ask you for the next box will ask you for your email address, and then the last one will ask you for your phone number. So I'm just going to put, just kind of fill this in quickly here. So we'll have that. Oh, it's going to want my last name as well. And just hit continue, and it'll plug in my email address and phone number. And then it's going to start to kind of process that information. It's going to send it over to us, and then it's going to take you to another area here, and it actually takes you to our full application website. So what you've done so far is great. That allows us to go ahead and get started with your information. But if you want to get a head start on a full application, this will take you to that point, and then you can get started with that as well. So all you have to do with this is basically just click the Get Started button. And then what it's going to do is basically walk you through the steps of getting this application started. You're going to set up an account first, and then it's going to take you through some more specific questions to get you started. Now, this is the same thing that would happen if you and I talked on the phone, or if you came into the office face to face. I'm going to ask you these same questions here. This just allows you to do it online and do that. And like I said, if you've already done the other part, that's perfectly fine. We can get started with that, and then I can call you or ask you these questions from there, and then that'll allow us to get your pre-qualification and your pre-approval started. So if you're thinking about buying a house, we would love to help you with that. This is a great way to go. It's an easy process to get started. Don't let the mortgage and process intimidate you. We are a very laid-back company. We want to help you get the best loan that we can for you, but more importantly, we want to help you get into the best home that you can for you and your family, if that's the case. So do me a favor, send me a message. You can send me a message, reach out on Facebook. Again, my name's Nathan Soliday. You can send me an email. All my contact information should be below this video. Again, or if you would just like to get started with one of these simple forms, you just go to southernindianamortgage.com, click through the boxes there, and then that'll get us started, and I'll reach out to you and let you know what you qualify for. So thanks again for watching the video. If this video was helpful for you, please click the like button below the video and help us spread the word by doing that. And other than that, we look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day. Thanks.